Welcome to the last of the Quibble introduction videos. In this video, I'll be discussing the science of pricing, what that means to a revenue manager, and how to engage with the science as an analyst. As revenue managers, when we're talking about pricing science, we're talking about making a prediction of something that will happen in the future. In the RevenueOS application, you can see for each property for each night, the model is predicting a share percentage. On this property, Quibble is predicted to capture 15% of the market share. We're also predicting the share that each of our competitors will capture. The real science is in getting these predictions correct because that will determine the optimized price. I like to split how we think about the work of a revenue analyst into two buckets. On one side, you have the model, and on the other side, you have the output of the model. Under the current arrangements, analysts are spending the majority of their time adjusting the output of the model, which is basically overriding prices. At Quibble, we're flipping that around and encouraging analysts to engage more on the modeling side. Overriding rates on a single night may fix the issue for that single night. But what the analyst should be doing is fixing the root cause of the problem, which is inside of the model. Let's discuss an example of how to engage with the model versus the output. Imagine while working in the application, you come to a property and the price is too low. The old way of managing rates would be to go straight to the model output and increase the rates. The better way is to evaluate the inputs to the model to understand why the rates are low and address the problem. If you address the root cause, Quibble will automatically increase the rates. Another way to engage with the model versus the output is to review the competitors selected for the property. These are automatically assigned by Quibble based on price, location, and quality. They can be edited by the analyst, which will refine the pricing. Hopefully this example helps you to reframe how you think about your role as an analyst. This is the final of 4 introductory videos to Quibble RevenueOS. You should now have the confidence that you have chosen the best pricing science to optimize your rates. Before you turn on to pricing, I highly recommend you familiarize yourself with our advanced analytics. Similar to how the optimization models are bringing new ideas to the industry, so are some of the forecasting concepts introduced by Quibble Analytics. You shouldn't turn on dynamic pricing without being able to closely track the impacts they have on your business.